Morning guys, here we are to share about how to find the live wire using a voltage tester or multi-tester. Here we are replacing old power outlet or socket. Here's the old power socket outlet. So we're replacing it because it's loose. When you plug a charger, it always fall on the floor. So we don't know which wire here is live or not. There are 4 wires here, 2 wires white and 2 wires are black. So first we'll find the voltage, input voltage, assuming the white is negative. So we'll put the red test lead to black. Now it's the test leads from multi-tester is attached. Set your multi-tester to ACB or AC, alternating current voltage. Now turn it on. As you can see, still 0, so test lead is not really connected yet. So here's the red. We'll attach it to the black. Okay, now it was 0. As you can see, now it's reading 134 volts. Okay, if I remove the test lead red, tester will become 0. Okay, if we put back the red test lead, you'll get a reading of 134 on the power outlet. Now, even if you reverse the test lead, putting this black test lead to the black, you will still, and putting the red test lead to the white, you will still read a voltage which is lower than 138 a while ago. Now it's 133, 134, 35. Okay. Our subject here is to find which live wire is live. Is it the white or black? Now, because even if you reverse the test lead, as you saw, the multi-tester still reads the voltage. Now to find the live wire, do this. Put the black on the white wire, and there's the ground wire here. This, put the red there. Okay, tester will read 0. Okay, now even if I remove the red test lead, okay, 0. If I attach it, tester will still read 0. I'm just repeating it if you didn't see it when I attach it, still 0. Now I'll move the red test lead already from the ground. Okay. To find that means the white wire is not live. So to find out if black is a live wire, which is supposedly because the white is got 0 reading, place the red test lead on the black one. The two are blacks, but these wires are just connected to the same connection. Now the red test lead is connected already. As you can see, it's 0. Now instead, I will put this black test lead to the ground. Now remember, before I put it, it's 0. Multi-tester reads 0. If I attach it now to the ground, okay, tester will read the voltage, as you can see on the 34. If I remove it, it will read to 0. Now if I attach it again, it will read the voltage. That means the black wire is the live one and the white one is not live because it reads 0. Okay guys, now you know how to find the live wire. If you don't know which wire is live when you're working on a power outlet or powers, that's how you find it. One test lead on separate wire and one test lead on the ground. If you're black and white, one test lead on the black, one test lead on the ground. Now remember to set up always, if you're testing power outlet at home or at work, which is AC, ACB or alternating current voltage, set your tester to the highest voltage to prevent for your tester to blow up from being blown up if the voltage of the outlet is higher than your multi-tester capacity. In this case, this multi-tester has a capacity of 750 volts. So I'm only measuring 120 to 133 volts. I can still put it on 200, but to make sure, I just put it to the highest voltage to prevent my multi-tester from being blown. There's fuse inside anyway, but just for safety reason. Now we know which one is live. We can turn off the circuit breaker now from the circuit breaker panel, so we can work on this without being electrocuted, or work with this safely to replace with a new power outlet. Okay guys, this is just knowledge sharing. You can do it at your own discretion. The sharing knowledge, the owner is not liable on what you do. This is just about helping you on my own way if I can. Please, if you don't have knowledge about electricity, don't try this. My advice is go to school if you want to learn about electricity. Okay? The video owner is not liable for what you do. I'm just helping you and sharing this knowledge for your own use, if you can use it. Hopefully you can use it. Thank you very much for watching my video. Please subscribe and like, and don't forget to ring the bell so that I can always update you for more knowledge sharing videos. Thank you very much and see you later.